Slay Ndlovu's shocking revelations leave fans reeling. The road star dropped a bombshell interviewing, spilling the tea on her high-profile split. The drama's been brewing and Slay's not holding back. She's pulling back the curtain on her glamorous life, revealing a complex web of trust issues and personal struggles. The internet's gone wild. Social media's flooded with reactions from shock and empathy to criticism and skepticism. Some say Slay's brave for speaking out, while others claim she's just cashing in on her fame. Either way, the conversations ignited, with fans and critics alike weighing in on the realities of life in the public eye. This isn't the first time a road star's personal life's been splashed across headlines. Mzansi loves a good drama, and Slay's revelation are serving up a whole lot of tea. But what's the cost of fame? Is it worth sacrificing private moments for the sake of entertainment? The debate rages on. Slay's story is a cautionary tale, reminding us that reality TV isn't as always as real as it seems. As we devour the drama, let's not forget the human behind the headlines. What's your take on Slay's shocking revelation? Are you Team Slay or Team Drama?